know that the energy industry is experiencing an aging workforce. We also see a more energy-conscious next-generational talent. Gregor, how do you see, as the head of talent at Enoda Tech, that certain processes will help you find the right future energy leaders?
Well, we're an innovation business, at the heart of it. So our processes, from research and development of our technology, that innovation, that thread of innovation really goes throughout the business, and that includes talent acquisition, recruitment, our HR processes. So for us, we know that we need to find the world's best. Very commonly we're finding extremely niche candidates to do what we need them to do. So we need to kind of think differently. The common job boards and putting adverts out there to try and capture candidates' attention, not really working. It's a very buoyant marketplace. There's a lot of companies out there. There's a lot of people looking for jobs. So I think what we've tried to do is, go backwards, design by first principles, think about where we can develop our own pools of candidates that might not even be applying for roles. So we've tried to do that manually. We've tried to use some tools to do that, learn some lessons from it, but we've got a fantastic set of skills in our business, machine learning, data engineering. So we're working very closely with our team internally. We're looking at professors worldwide, in engineering disciplines, namely. We're looking at educational institutions across the globe. We're trying to figure out, where this thought leadership comes from, where these, absolute gold standard candidates could potentially come from. We're looking at professors. We're looking at people whose PhDs they would have supervised. We're really building out pools, and we're using, machine learning at times to automate parts of that process in order to be able to contact these people directly, and it's bearing fruit for us. We've been really successful with engaging with some people that we would have never found using normal tools or normal platforms, and that's becoming people on site. That's becoming new employees of Enoda who are doing absolutely fantastically in their role. So it's really exciting for us.
So what do you think that this next generational talent is valuing in terms of what they're looking for in an organization?
I think the generation coming through, into the workforce now and older, I think there's a lot of competition for talent right now. I think people have come through, financial, market crashes and pandemics and all the rest of it. And I think that people, they're not looking for a job for life anymore. They're looking for a job where they can come in, make an impact, share a purpose perhaps of what the business is that they're working for. And I think we can offer that. So we try to be very open about our purpose. We're a very passionate environment. We think the problems that we're solving are very big picture in terms of the energy trilemma. And we're very vocal about the contribution that people joining us can make, not just to their own career, but to society as a whole.
So do you think it's important to have a balance between experienced professionals and new next generational talent in an organization?
100%. We are an extremely diverse business already. It's something that we strive to continue. We're a founder-led business. 2 of our founders are female. We've got an extremely wide age range across our business, from graduates, people just leaving academia in their early 20s, right up to people in their kind of late 60s and 70s. So we've got quite a unique environment, and it's an open platform. We are a meritocracy at the heart of it all, so everybody in our business has a voice, and it's a very exciting environment to be working in right now.
Thank you so much for your insights, Gregor.
Thank you.
For more insights, join the Enlit community.